Hello, today we will talk about a new list of automotive products. Today's video is about
tools equipment.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Meguiar's Supreme Shine Microfiber towels are the easiest, fastest, and safest way to wipe your car. The premium microfiber cloths are dual-sided, incredibly plush, and absorb more than traditional terry towels. These ideally sized towels are large 16 by 24 and are reusable and machine washable. Supreme Shine Microfiber towels will consistently deliver the swirl-free, mirror-like results you are looking for.
This is the professional grade premium microfiber towel. It features a silk banded edge for scratchless detailing across your vehicle. It has a high pile side, which is great for removing water and spray detailers, and a low pile side, which is great for removing waxes and sealants. And it's available right here on Amazon.
Look what came in our car cleaning tool set. I am so excited. Let's open it up. This car detailing brush set is by the brand MateAuto. It comes with 20 pieces. It comes with a drill brush set, car interior detailing kit, and car wash kit with boar hair detail brush and cleaning gel for wheel, dashboard, air vents, leather, and exterior. This is such a complete set, perfect for anyone who loves to keep their car clean. It comes with 5 different size, high quality detailing brushes to meet all your cleaning needs, from 8.25 inches all the way to 9.5 inches. It also has 4 drill brushes of different sizes and shapes. Also included is an extended reach attachment so that it can help you reach deeper in farther areas. The brush sets are super durable and high quality. It comes with a rubber tip so it prevents scratches when pushing inside. The bristles are durable and soft. The handle is very easy to use, and it comes with a rubber ring protector. You can use it with any of your favorite cleaning supplies. With this extensive set, you are able to get your car super clean and right to detail. Not only is this helpful to keep your car clean, but you can also use it in any other appliance. And it comes with a ringer. You can use it with this extent, get your car super clean and to detail. But you can use it in other appliances you have. Perfect bathroom, obviously multi-use, and it's a quality gift. It can be used to clean cars, trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, and so on.
This combo kit includes a pair of our most popular California car duster products to maintain your vehicle's appearance. The standard California car duster features a plastic handle and cotton mop with our signature baked-in wax treatment that lifts dust from your vehicle in between car washes. Gently sweep the car duster across your vehicle's painted and glass surfaces to remove the dust. When you are ready to detail interior, pick up our California Mini Duster. This small version of our car duster quickly picks up dust on your dashboard, center console, gauge cluster, and door panels.